Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix fail to load shipping.dll error code 126 in Ghost of Tsushima game. Guys, to fix this problem, so make sure you watch this complete video to fix this problem. First open up your any browser and just search for the DLL files, and once you search for it, now this website will appear on the top. Just open up the DLL file website and just click on the top search box and just type here the EOSSDK, and once you type it, now this file will appear on the top. Just hit the enter and this file will appear on the top. So just open up this Epic Online Services SDK file, and once you open it, now here in this page just scroll down and you will see its two version. So you have to download its latest version. To download the latest version, you have to just click on the download option, and then it will start downloading onto your PC. So just wait for it and then save the file anywhere on your PC, and then just drag and drop this file on your desktop, and after that just right click on your file and you will see the option of the extract here. Just click on the extract here option, and once you extract this file, now you will see the two files, which is the readme or the file which is the EOS or the shipping DLL file. So just right click on this file, you will see the copy option. Just click on the copy and just open up your Steam and then go to your Steam library, and on the left hand side just click on the game which is the Ghost of Tsushima. And once you click on the Ghost of Tsushima game, you will see the option of gear icon. Just click on this gear icon and go to your game properties on the last, and here you'll see the installed files, and just click on the browse option, and now it will open the folder where your game is installed. So right click on this folder and paste the file which is the DLL file, and once you paste it, now I recommend you to completely close your game first and then launch the game again and see your problem is fixed or not. If your problem is not fixed, then open up your file explorer and then go to this PC, and now here you will see your local DC or where your operating system is installed. Open it, and now here you have to look for the folder of the system32. So just scroll down until you find this folder. Open it. Here you have to right click on it and simply paste the file, then click on the continue option to completely paste this file in here, and then I will recommend you to restart your PC. So by restarting your PC, then you have to open up the Steam again, then launch the game again, and hope your problem will be fixed. And if yes, please don't forget to like this video, and I will see you guys in the next video.